G'day, I'm Shay from Wayne Ritchie's. Today we're going to be talking to you about wakeboards and wakeboarding and everything you need to get your family into the sport. First of all, you're going to need a good set of bindings, basic beginner set of bindings. These are a great pair. One size fits most, so you can fit a lot of different feet sizes into the same bindings. You don't have to get a few different pairs, save a bit of money. They're really easy to get in and out of, really easy lacing system, nice and soft, easy to ride, easy to use. So this is the Hyperlite Motive, one of Hyperlite's beginner boards. I'll start with the base of the board. The base of the board has really mellow channels with a slight molded fin, so really easy to get out of the water. Tracks a little bit, but then when you have this big center fin, it's really easy to track. So once you're out of the water, it'll take you in the direction that you want to ride. The base of the board, not much to it. It's a nice wide profile. So it's important when choosing a board for your child, you come in and get a board tuned to their specific height and weight. The more personal the board is, the easier it's going to be for them to ride and learn on. For a kid, you're looking at 130, maybe lower, 128, and then this board especially ranges from 128 all the way to 135, 145. So regardless of who's riding it, you can get a board that'll fit anyone in the family. Here at Wayne Ritchie's, we also sell girls boards. The only real difference between boys and girls junior boards is the size. They're a little bit shorter and the graphic. So for adults and teenagers, you've got a more advanced board like this. This is a Biley. A few features that this has that makes riding a lot easier and easier to progress at. It's got carbon going through the center, makes it really poppy and stiff, so when you hit the wake you get nice and big pop, easy to do tricks the longer you're in the air. It's really strong. It's got a Kevlar sidewall, so it really can take a beating. It's never going to snap. It's got a bit of a softer nose and tail, so it's really soft in your landing. So once you're doing big jumps and inverts and stuff, the landing is going to be nice and soft on your knees. So when you come into the shop, you'll see that there's a few different types of rocker in wakeboards. This one specifically is continuous rocker, so down the edge it's one continuous line. The features of continuous rocker is it's nice and consistent, it's fast, it's easy to ride. There is 3-stage rocker, which has 3 different stages of angle, so there's a flat spot through the middle. That allows you to have heaps of pop, but it's not so consistent, so there's pros and cons of both. It's really personal preference though. Something else you might need for your boat is a fat sack. Basically these are just to put some more water in the boat, create some more weight, and it really just drags the boat down and makes the wake bigger. So they come in different sizes and shapes. The different sizes really go from about 150 kilos to 400 kilos. They come in different shapes as well to fit different areas of your boat. There's a bag to fit in your bow, there's a bag to fit through the middle, and bags to fit on your seats. Another thing you need to wakeboard is a good wakeboard rope. Wakeboard ropes have 0 stretch. That is to keep tension between you and the boat. So when you're doing carves or jumps, keep a nice tight line between you and the boat. We have a few different types of ropes here. The only real difference between a budget rope and a more expensive rope is the plastic coating. This just really makes it a really tangle-free rope. Attached to your rope is a handle. What you want in the handle is a nice, wide and comfortable handle. So when you're doing spins and tricks, you want a wide handle that you have lots to grab onto. So if you're going to be riding for a long time, you want a nice soft handle to avoid sore hands and blisters. So a conventional handle, it used to be rubber, but now some of the nicer ones are either a neoprene or a soft chamois material. So there you have it. If you want more information on wakeboarding, visit our website or come into one of our stores.